Open ArtCam. Uh, First, we input vector file. Open. Find our job. This file you can output by AutoCAD. The format is DXF. This you can choose the position, the origin point of the workpiece. Now we can choose the left bottom side. Press OK. This is the vectors we need. Now first we have to check whether there is some errors, any errors. Press identified. We can group it, identify. There is some errors. This circle shows there is some errors. So we ungroup it, delete it. Then we can draw a rectangle. Then we can select all vectors. Then group them. We can check again. Okay, there is no errors. Now we can do the tool path. In tool path, we can choose smart engraving in new 2D tool path. Select vectors. We select this one. Start depth. We fill in 0. Finish depth. We enter, usually we enter 1.5 for the depth, for the final depth. Vector, these 3 options, we usually select all. Then we choose the tools. Press add. Press first tool, we can choose 4mm in the mill. We can check the parameters of this tool. Number 1 tool, diameter 4, step over 0.5, spindle speed 24,000, step over is 0.8. This value have to be less than 4mm. Feed rate is the processing speed. Plunge rate. This speed is the spindle go the spin of go down speed. Okay, select. Allowance we can choose 0.2 for clearance strategy. We can choose offside. Adding rapid move. Angle 50. You can set according my parameters. Save the height 1 millimeter. Home position, we can choose the 5. Setup. The material thickness, we can enter 5 millimeter. Second tool. Then we can choose the second tool. Second tool, we can choose a 15-degree tool. 15 degree. The half radius is 0.25. We can check the parameters. It's okay. Okay, select. Allowance is tool number 2. Do corner sharpening. Independent finish depth, we can enter 1 millimeter. Now it's okay. We add another tool. Now we choose this one. The angle is 25 and the flat is 0.1 millimeter. We can add it first. Tool number, we can choose number 3. Diameter. Pay attention. This 0.1. This value is half flat. It's half flat. Step over. We can choose 0.5. Spindle speed, we can choose that. It's okay. Yeah. allowance can do corner. In, independent finish also is 1. Then we add another. Also 25 degree. 25 degree is this one. You can add it. Number 4. Half radius. Half radius is 0.05. Step down, we can set 0.5. Okay, select. Do corner sharply. This place we choose profile only. Independent finish steps. We choose 0.4. For the last tool, it because it is very thin for the tip. It's very thin, so it is easy to be broken for this kind of tool. So the depth is not the depth is only 0.4. So we have finished the smart engraving. Now we can calculate. Now it's an error. It's not correct. We have to remove this vector. We do another. We group them again. Choose them, then calculate now. Now that's okay. We can find there is a list for this processing. There are totally 4 tools for this program. We can press right click with simulate toolpath. We choose high detail, simulate. It's a little slow. We can. Now it has been finished. It's okay. It's very clear. Now, if it is okay, we can it, output it, save, save the tool path, save the tool path. We can name it. Choose a poster. Now we can, this is the file we finally want. We can put this program into the CNC machine.